everyone, this video is about topic 1, Biodiversity 1.6, Domain Eukarya Kingdom, Plantae. Right, so this is the second part of the video where we are going to discuss about the next group, okay, that is Gymnosperm and also Angiosperm. Okay, still Domain Eukarya Kingdom Plantae, but the second video is about Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. Alright, okay. So Gymnosperm, the third group. Okay, we are going to describe the unique characteristics of Gymnosperm and also state the classification of Gymnosperm into their four divisions or their four phyla. That is phylum Dicotyledon. The example is species. Phylum Pinophyta or Coniferophyta. The example is species. Phylum Ginkgophyta. The example is Ginkgo species. And the last one, Phylum Nematophyta. The example is Nematode species. Okay, these are all the unique characteristics of Gymnosperm. Okay, first, seed is not enclosed within ovary. Second, reproductive organ. Okay, what we call as a cone consists of the sporophyll that are spirally arranged. And for Gymnosperm, the sporophyte is dominant. The leaf with waxy coating to help conserve of water. Okay, the ovule contain the female gametophyte. Number 6, water is not required during fertilization. And for Gymnosperm, okay, this group, okay, is more advanced compared to Pteridophyte, where the vascular tissue shows xylem as the trachea, okay, the phloem tissue having a sieve tube, except for Nematophyta. Next, we are looking at the classification of Gymnosperm, okay, which classified into four phyla. The first phylum is Dicotyledon. Example is species. The second phylum is Pinophyta, or also can be known as Coniferophyta. The example is species. The third phylum is Ginkgophyta. The example is Ginkgo species. And the fourth phylum is Nematophyta. The example is Nematode species. Okay, phylum Dicotyledon, example cycles. So they are dioecious and they have compound leaf that look somewhat like a palm. Okay, so these are the diagram of the cycles species where shows the female cone and the male cone. Okay, next is the phylum Pinophyta, where this Pinophyta or Coniferophyta, the example is species. They are monoecious, meaning both male and female cone in the same plant, and they are heterosporous. Okay, so they have megaspore and microspore. Okay, so these are the cone of the Pinus species. Okay, it's a very unique. Okay, next is the phylum Ginkgophyta. The example is Ginkgo biloba. So this is the diagram of the plants of Ginkgo biloba. Okay, the last phylum is Nematophyta, where you need to know the tree that known as Nematode nenum. Okay, Nematode nemon. Okay, sorry, Nematode nemon under phylum Nematophyta. Okay, so as you all know, for phylum, okay, so next is a phylum Entophyta. Phylum Entophyta is divided into two classes, okay, class Dicotyledon and class Dicotyledon. Okay, so the example is Mangifera indica, okay, mango fruit. Okay, another one is class Monocotyledoniae, right? And the example is Zimes, corn, right? Okay, next, so the difference between monocot and dicot. So these are the difference that you can observe, okay, in terms of the leaf, in terms of the cotyledon, in terms of the vascular, in terms of the root, and also in terms of the flower, structure of the flower. Okay, so this topic, 1.1.6, evolutionary relationship in plant kingdom. So this is the topic that you more discuss during tutorial. So teacher just share this evolutionary relationship so that you have an idea about it. Okay, so evolutionary relationship, okay, in terms of size, right, in terms of dominance, gametophyte and sporophyte. In terms of dependence of gametophyte and sporophyte, in terms of water dependence in fertilization, in terms of present and complexity of vascular tissue, and also in terms of embryo protection. And you can put it in the table from evolutionary relationship in plant kingdom. Okay, so these are all, again, teacher share the reference for you to refer at, right? Okay, that's all. We are towards the end of the video. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.